In this video I will describe you, Windows 11 Dev version, OS build 25206 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 25206 version notify me to restart computer. Restart computer. See Windows 11 25206 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build change to SMB authentication rate limiter behavior changes, updated open with dialog, updates for dynamic refresh rate, many more fixes and known issues. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.